The Alphabet, the parent company of Google, could buy $31 billion US marketing software maker HubSpot, a move that will enhance Google's ability to compete with Microsoft in offering cloud applications to companies. Media reports said last month that Google was considering buying HubSpot, which analysts and investment bankers said would be Google's biggest deal to expand its products and applications for companies. Analysts said Google does want to capture market share from Microsoft's productivity suite. In cloud computing, Amazon is undoubtedly the leader, with Microsoft in second place and Google in third place. And Google might think that buying HubSpot is the equivalent of owning Microsoft Dynamics 365, which would make it more competitive in the space. Cloud computing has a broad prospect. At present, from the emotional point of view, the recent positive trend of the computing power industry does not change. With the support of the cloud computing has stepped on the stage of the development of computing power. In essence, cloud is the network, and computing is computing power. The essence of cloud computing is to package and gather a large number of scattered computing power resources to achieve high reliability, high performance, and low-cost computing power. Cloud computing is a new form of business that promotes the on-demand supply of information technology capabilities and promotes the full utilization of information technology and data resources. The future of cloud computing is to build a supercomputer with computing as the center and network as the bus, which will realize the computing network resource coverage and integrated scheduling mechanism on a global scale, build a computing network brain, and finally realize the integration of full business support of cloud computing services. From the trend of market size, at present, the cloud computing market size has maintained a rapid growth. Data show that in 2021, it will reach 322.9 billion yuan, with a growth rate of 54.4%. In 2022, the size of China's cloud computing market will be 455 billion yuan, an increase of 40.91% compared with 2021. It is expected that the overall market size will exceed 1 trillion yuan in 2025. Among them, China's cloud computing market has become the world's most potential growth market. Domestic cloud computing backbone enterprises have made breakthroughs in key core technologies such as large-scale concurrent processing and massive data storage, as well as emerging fields such as containers and microservices, and some indicators have reached the international advanced level. It's worth noting that, with the rise of AI, generative AI has also become a new driver of the cloud computing market. Generative AI needs cloud computing, and cloud computing also shapes the service industry because of generative AI. As large models enter the cloud, model as a service has attracted much attention. WiMi is seizing new opportunities. In recent years, Vim Hologram Cloud has always been committed to self-reliance and self-improvement in science and technology, and has built a number of high-performance computing centers around cutting-edge technologies such as 5G network, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and large models. At the same time, we will comprehensively carry out open cooperation and exploration, accelerate the development and application of cloud computing technology, further integrate it into government affairs, industry, education, automobile, Internet of Things and other industries, give full play to the leading advantages of cloud computing cloud capability system, and constantly promote the cultivation and development of new quality productivity. It is understood that WiMi cloud computing industry is developing in a good situation, consolidating the digital infrastructure and computing power resource system, and the new generation of digital technology base, focusing on cloud computing power, algorithms, data elements, improving, optimizing, and upgrading the original capability system, and combining the forces of the industry. In the future, WiMi is expected to further support enterprises to plan and lay out cloud and edge intelligent computing in key industrial agglomeration areas, optimize the deployment of supporting infrastructure, build cloud and edge computing power supply system, and build an independent, controllable, safe, and reliable computing power infrastructure application ecology. Conclusion. From the perspective of technology development cycle, cloud computing has become the central operating system of the digital world, and entered the 3.0 stage of computing network cloud integration. Some of the global giants have already laid out in these areas, including cloud and big models, and new battlefields in the expansion from cloud infrastructure to chips and big models. In the face of the future, cloud service providers vigorously invest and actively promote it. They need to accelerate the construction of the ecosystem around their own advantages, and jointly serve the cloud with ecological partners, so as to achieve rich returns in the new wave and win a win-win situation.